Good morning everyone and welcome to the video. So I love making these videos and helping all of you, and I want to provide you with value and good quality content. So I need your help. Let me know in the comments below what questions and videos you would like me to make on eye flutters, and also if there's any other health conditions and eye problems, is that dry eyes, blepharitis. Let me know in the comments below every single question or every single video you want answered, and feel free to even write a comment with 20 videos, 30 videos, and if you have 30 questions, pop them all down below, because I want to get around to making all these videos, whether it takes 4 months, 6 months, even a year. All these videos I want to make. I want to be able to have this channel full of all the questions around eye flutters and every topic and studies and everything. This is going to be a community channel that is full of helpful information and answers to all the questions we have, because there's still so much misinformation online when you go to Google, and then if you go on YouTube, it's even worse. It's just lies, and it's just crazy. So we need to sort all that out, and I do want to just say to you all, thank you. I don't think I say it enough. Well, I try to, but I should say it more. Thank you for every single like, comment, share. Thank you to everyone that watches these videos. Thank you for all your subscriptions. And I don't like to sound cliche and that, but honestly, you're amazing, you're wonderful, you're awesome, and I love you all, and I will see you next time.